Gunnery Sgt. Wetter was traveling behind this person and immediately pulled over to the side of the road to render aid. At this point, there was vegetation that was also burning adjacent to the vehicle. Gunnery Sgt. Wetter came in and made contact with the wife of the vehicle, and she said, "My baby's in the back."
At that point, I seen the dad go around to the passenger side of the car to try to get the baby out of the car. That's when I jumped in the back seat of the car to try to help the dad get the baby out. At that point is when I used my pocket knife to cut the car seat belt that was holding the baby's seat into the car so the dad could get the car seat out. That's when the dad got the baby out of the car. I grabbed as many belongings as I could for the family as I was going out the vehicle. Got away from the vehicle, the car was too far gone. The fire department wasn't even there yet, so it was 5 minutes in total and the car was full of engulfed in flames. So my initial feeling when I first got out there, all right, no one's hurt. The mom and dad the two people just got out of the vehicle. So at that point I was like, I need to help her get her baby out of the car. It's just a good person in the right place at the right time. What I would expect anybody to do in that moment is to help someone in need. I don't think I'm special by no means. I was just the person behind them that decided they want to help someone else in need.
His actions embody honor, courage, commitment. It took tremendous courage to go into a burning vehicle to aid this family, and I truly believe if Gunnery Sgt. Wetter didn't do his actions that day, that we would have a different outcome for this child and the family.